Yes, hello. This is a 2009 Acura RDX, which is a turbo. It's not only a turbo, but it's an intercooled Ram Air Turbo. Fog lights, really good tires, good brakes, no rust. This video is by Instant Video Services. Let me know if I can help you too. These Acuras are very reliable, but this one's, even though it's on the same chassis as the Honda platform, it has a different engine. Much more luxury. It's a much better handling package. Tow package there, roof rack, AC. It has the upgraded thick rubber floor mats. Upgraded LED lighting all around the interior as well. Very well maintained. Fresh oil change with full synthetic oil, as well as the transmission fluid changed this spring. Until then, it's a great value at $5,200. Get a hold of Doug and I'll be happy to help. Aloha.